So I'm going to try this fettuccine pasta. So let's start making it. So I'm just going to follow the instruction. First boil some water in a pot and then add some salt and a few drops of oil and mix it well and bring it to a complete boil. And water has started boiling, so I'm going to add the pasta in it. So I'm just going to make 3 portions. So I'm just adding 3 portion of the pasta, and you can add straight from the freezer. Just take it out and put it into the boiling water. Make sure the water is boiling and just cook it for 4 to 5 minutes and it tastes like fresh. So our pasta has been cooked, it's nice and tender, so I'm going to strain this out and I'm going to keep the water for the later use. So, and I drizzled few drops of oil so my pasta do not stick to each other and stays separated. So I'm going to keep this aside and then prepare the sauce. For that I'm heating a pan and adding a butter, about 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter is melted and hot, I'm going to add chopped garlic, about half tablespoon, and saute until the raw flavor goes away, and then adding green chilies. I like the spiciness, but you can skip it if you want. And then I'm adding all-purpose flour gradually so that no lumps are formed. To that I'm adding fresh coriander and spinach. You can also use parsley if you like, and then 3/4 cup of milk, and then give it a stir. We wanted to boil this, bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to add nutritional yeast for some cheesy flavor, about 1 tablespoon, and then 2 to 3 tablespoon of cream, like a heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to add my boiled pasta in it and mix it very well so it's very well coated, and I'm adding water from my pasta, and our pasta is ready. So pasta with white sauce, or you could call alfredo sauce, garnish with some fresh coriander and spinach. And this pasta is so delicious and it is so different from the store-bought pasta. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye and happy eating.